let's just
No, camera is on fire.
You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Yo, it's so sunny. Guess who forgot to use sunscreen today? Me. Oh, my local jam now, Sha. Bole stand, trying to get bole. Oh shit, Abia Okuta, sorry. Aja Okuta, sorry. Aja Okuta. Now, wow. So guys, due to the lack of change, I had to pick up a bottle of Fanta. Healthy living. I'm not about to start this village trip drinking unhealthy, but yeah, maybe I'll drink it, maybe I wouldn't. We're back on the road now, on our way to the village. Oops.
Ataka mafufu nenu amo afujulu manya nenu ejizi anyi sin ejiye mono onwere ife na digide nenu wakima otezi akoji di jonenu oga di kwa mmozo eji afufu anyi isi Ethiopia mebu iko onyo dili patata na wani maka na echi ebuka mu akwenwebe bafa maka akwenwebe onyo dili njọ tata tukwaso na chukwu nọnda digide n'ụwa.
Guys, just showered up. Anyway, good night. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cokes, and welcome back to another vlog. This intro is coming pretty late into the vlog, but I hope you guys understand. It's been such a hectic day, but this is my official first day in Arochiko, Abia State. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm here in the village with my cousins with the main purpose of filming. My siblings are not coming back this Christmas, unfortunately, so I just figured I'd come here and give you guys a bit of a feel of what the village looks like, or at least what Arochiko in Abia State looks like. So stay tuned for a vlog surrounding all that. I'm not wearing a wig today just because I'm still feeling my freshly cornrowed hair. So yeah, we're off to our friend's house right now and just to hang out. We've been cleaning all day. We ate, slept for a little bit. I tried to figure out how to set this camera, so I really hope, like, you know, the camera quality is not too, but just give me a few more vlogs to kind of figure it out, and hopefully I would get the hang of it. So I would see you when we get to our friend's house, and we should probably watch the Masquerade festival today. So hopefully I'm able to catch all of that and share it with you guys. It's such an interesting festival. You have different masquerade dressed up, looking really funny, and yeah, they go around chasing people. It's so much fun. It's usually so much fun. You have a lot of people in their cars sitting down just by the side of different buildings watching the performance and watching them, like, you know, display their craziness. So that's very exciting. I'm looking forward to that. What else do I have to share with you guys? Okay, yeah, that's pretty much okay. Yeah, we're going to eat snail today. The snail at DB in Arachiku is by far like the best I've had, so I think we're going to get that today. I'll take you guys along. I'm rambling too much, so let's get on with the day. But I hope you guys like. How do you guys like this wide angle lens? Wow, it's so different. It's really different. But yeah, how do you guys like it? And my setup is looking really good because I have my mic and I have like my 10 to 18 lens and my Sony A6400. So yeah, without further ado, let's get going. Let's get our day started. I'm very excited. I hope you guys are too. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Make sure you click the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment and all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's go. Okay, now my uncle is dropping off, which is her dad. Hey, I say hi to my yeah. Just enjoy your life.
Yes, so happiness is free of charge. It's free of charge. We are not paying for it.
We're not paying for it.
Yes, so
Uncle, say hi to my camera.
Hi, baby.
Are you ready for bike life?
I
She's not ready for the bike ride. No, we're spoiled brats. Like we're used to the family. I said that bike. But yeah, if I go on one, I'm definitely vlogging it. Like I'm not holding back this time around.
Eba nebeti football. Ariwa we banye we choose efa. Kedu kesi abazi nyabu bet Naija. Awesi ya na Abia 1.5. Ifa potalobo na genye zugolu na boge malo. Abia 2.5 nnu. Ifa potalobo na go leto gabia no fu match. Arewa we nasia. Olukwe chene nu wa bulu bali epota. Ndi mmadu gbakọkwa nenu wa nu. Nyabu bosi webulu bosi Friday. Owe na-achọ onye ga-enyeli aka gbage m, mana o nwezi onye kwele enyeli aka. Owe nepụzi anya wee fuge m mmadụ gbalụ. Nyabuge m tolo ogologo wee pụta 400 million naira. Ariwa wee yobo onye nwe game. Enwelu m ike ịgba game gị na ana m ayo ndị mmadụ fa gbalụ.
This 4 o'clock. Brenda, we entered bike.
I thought you were in the car with your dad.
He dropped us somewhere because he's going somewhere else. Hi. Hello.
Welcome, y'all.
Thanks.
So are we going to stream today or what? You're supposed to do that stream thing. Stream. So that's a stream. Are we going to watch Ekpo and then go to the
Okay. Yeah, I think that's what
We have 2 hours to get on there for that stream because
how many Masquerade stopped us? It was very bad.
God, I said, you know, this is not in line.
Ikuku ego kusani nnu. Kanili bife. Eju biamanyi si ho.
Anyway, guys, so we're in Brenda's house right now. Same to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nyelaka n'ụwa ga-aga. Kanili bife. Oyimu kanili bife nu. Kanili bife. Oyimu kanyi tabi ife alụnụ. Kanili bife.
Yeah, I just want you to go for me because you like the chicken out of these things. shots.
How many shots have you had?
6. I lost 6 rounds of Uno, so I take 6 shots.
Game na-ekwu maka ya bụ abanye na abọ ka a ga-agbụ ya. Agbanya mbọsị Saturday.
I translate it, so you know I got it.
Oh, you called my phone, right?
Such impetus. Like so.
Weje bọọlụ one n'ụwa nọ. Wee kwaba baro kwasịa n'ụbọchị Friday. Ife ọkwatalụ bụ 1,000 naira. O were ya wee nata. Chọgodebe oge.
Downstairs, don't give him money. Tell him to come on downstairs by the window.
Come now, come. This guy has sense.
If you come outside, come outside. Come outside, come outside. Start it very well. No, you know beat you.
No, I'm good. I just want to make from the car.
Okay. You go position. Position.
Osimuro nyuka. Osimuro rice. Ngoche simu ntamofe ọkụ. Owejebe mama putu o. Nwanyi tinyere ụmụ nni 200 naira ka nligodo. Ka m wee chebe ụtụtụ mmadụ ka njem ọrụ. Luna mgbede tobe bread na Fanta wee tachie. O wee lalụ n'ụlọ anyasị. Lalụgide ụlọ na-eruwa Chiwefo n'ụlọ ụtụtụ Mọnde. Alịwa wee buru balụ n'ọkụ. Wee lote n'okpere ike n'ọbalị na Fraịde. Wejebe Naija bet. Ọdọbaba rie n'ilo. Banye n'ime Naija bet. Wee gwakwa onye gbalịa game n'elu m game a. Onye gbalụ Naija bet. Ihe game na system. Game wee chaa green. 46 million naira ka na-ekwu. Bụrụ obere ego n'ụwa oke mmalị. Ariwada nani o wee bebe akwa. Ariwa nwesa anyanwụ o wee bebe akwa. Akwa lili o juru ya iru. Ọ mara ife ọ ga-emezi, ọ mara onye ọ ga-akọla akụkọ uwe ya. Ikuku ego kuzi Igbo. Ka anyị libe ife. Ikuku ego kuzi anyị nnụ. Ka anyị libe ife. Egwu agbala nze o n'eluwa. Egwu ikolobịa ka ọ bụrụ. Ka anyị libe ife. Akụ dị mma na nwa. Ka anyị libe ife. Aka dị mma jide akụ o. Ka anyị libe ife. Ụmụ ogbenye o elibe ife nụ. Ka anyị libe ife. Ikuku ego kuzi Igbo. Ka anyị libe ife. Ikuku ego kuzi anyị. Ka anyị libe ife. Ariwa mgbeze anyanwụ. Ka anyị libe ife. Chukwu si n'ipe afịfịa wee mee nye ọgaranya. Ka anyị libe ife. Ọ bụrụkwa na obele ife ka na-ekuzi. Ife nna akọ mere eme n'otu nkwọ. Mee maketi wee gbabie Igbo. Otu nkwọ wee na-akpa yata.
So, Brenda, what are you getting?
4 chickens and 5 beefs.
Oh, see the American accent. Cop that.
Is this for all of us? 4 chicken
Yeah,
and
4
5
chicken and 5
beef.
beefs. Wait, that's only 2 now. 5 sticks.
This is
Cash.
I have your calculator.
okay.
Cash money.
Okay. If we die happy.
Vivian, this is in my nose.
Who's ready to lose their charades? Actually, how do you even lose their charades?
You do. People, you know
We'll do 2 teams, and then the person that gets to 10.
Oh yeah. Then what happened?
Then the losing people will take 2 shots each.
That's long. Though.
And then
5. Where's the 5?
5.
Mr. Bin now. Obi and Sons Investment na Berlin ko na chu na Germany. Akwego nkiti bodogu. Akwego nkiti na Newi na-ekenemi. Kenelu nu mabego. Akwego nkiti na Newi. Akwego nkiti na Newi. Akwego nkiti na Newi. Akwego nkiti na Newi. Mr. Onyebuchi Nwagwa Bilinu. Nwonya wo mama nenu wa ni de mma. Obele nwa ndị mmụọ na-ebula akụ na Jakarta na Indonesia ko na Libili. Nwachukwu okike bili. Onyebuchi Nwagwa na Jakarta. Ka anyị kene Onyebuchi Nwagwa na Jakarta. Nwagwa na Jakarta. Nwagwa na Jakarta. Mrs. Amaka Nwabichiri Adazayonu n'Eziagụ ka nna-akpọ. The Duchess of Durumi Property and Real Estate Developers na Abuja. Nwabichiri odogwu